Welcome to my YouTube channel, Unique Learning Station. I am Mehboob. Today we are going to learn about some important defense GK which will help you upcoming defense examinations. Okay, let's start. Today's first question is: in which year Indian Army was established? Answer: 1st April 1895. Who is the present Chief of Indian Army? Answer: General Manoj Mukul Naravan, first Indian to become Commander-in-Chief of Army. Answer: Kadendra Madappa Cariappa. Who was the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army? Answer: Major Stringer Lawrence. Who was the last British Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army? Answer: Sir Roy Bucher. Who was the first Defence Minister of India? Answer: Baldev Singh. Who was the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army when India got independence? Answer: Robert Lockhart. The person who took Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army from Sir Roy Bucher. Answer: K.M. Cariappa. Who is the head of the Indian Army? Answer: Chief of Army Staff. Where is the headquarters of Indian Army located? Answer: New Delhi. The person who established cantonment for the first time in India was? Answer: Robert Clive, 1765. What is the motto of Indian Army? Answer: Service before self. The person who is known as keeper. Answer: K.M. Cariappa. What is the oldest form of Indian Army? Answer: Presidency Army. What is the highest honorary rank in Indian Army? Answer: Field Marshal. In India, when Army Day is observed on? Answer: January 15. Which is the largest cantonment in India? Answer: Kanpur Cantonment. Which is the second largest standing army in the world? Answer: Indian Army. Which is the first largest standing army in the world? Answer: People's Liberation Army, China. Which is the India's first and only military base outside Indian territory? Answer: Farkhor Air Base, Tajikistan. Farkhor Air Base is operated by. Answer: Indian Air Force. Which is the motto of the Air Defense branch of the Indian Army? Answer: Win over the enemy in the sky. Which is the oldest infantry regiment of Indian Army? Answer: Madras Regiment. Who was the first woman Lieutenant General and Vice Admiral of Indian Army? Answer: Punita Arora. What is the new theme song of Indian Army? Answer: Mera Bharat Mahan, My India, My Pride. Which was the first and the only tri-service command in the country? Answer: Andaman Nicobar Command. Which was the youngest and seventh command of Indian Army? Answer: Southwestern Command. When was the Southwestern Command established? Answer: April 15, 2005. Number of commands in Indian Army are. Answer: 7. Who is the Supreme Commander of the defense system in India? Answer: the President of India. First Indian Army officer promoted to the rank of Field Marshal in independent India was. Answer: Sam Manekshaw, popularly known as Sam Bahadur. The second Indian Army officer to get the title Field Marshal was. Answer: K.M. Cariappa. The first person who held the rank of Chief of Army Staff in Indian Army was. Answer: General Maharaj Sri Rajendra Singh Ji Jadeja. The minimum enrollment age in the army has been raised from 16 to. Answer: 17 and a half years. The person known as the father of Indian Army is. Answer: Major Stringer Lawrence. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any mistakes, please comment. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video. If you want to remember this GK, you will have to watch this video again and again. Thank you.